Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem wa ala alihi ashabi ajmain, amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inna ad-deena indallahi al-Islam. Peace will not come by begging. Peace will not come by begging, but peace will come through trying for it and for achieving for it. By trying, we can achieve peace. This has been proved by HWPL chairman, Man Healy, and have been gone through knowing about this organization in the COVID pandemic time, and I'm so impressed that after observing their activities, that this organization is so emotionally trying to make the people one. And believe me, I'm not a representative of a Muslim community, but I am a Muslim. I know that all you people, all you good people, my brothers and sisters, Muslim brothers and sisters, the heart of every Muslim is to become a peace messenger. And we want to give peace to the world, and we want peace to be prevail in the world, and every Muslim want to go that eternal success paradise with all the non-Muslim brothers, so that we are so impressive and so committed to spread the message of peace, Islam to our neighbors, to our country people, to the whole world. And Man Healy, the chairman, he set an example by establishing HWPL and WARPO, World Alliance of Religions for Peace, and he gathered all the religious leaders, scholars, and regularly they do panel discussions in that they are giving chance to the scholars from all the faiths that to speak about their faith, their ideology, their thoughts, their scriptures, so that everybody can come to a conclusion. And what a great thing. When truth will arrive, falsehood will go, perish. So, when I am attending these meetings, I am feeling that people are coming to know about the truth. And they really sit friendly and talk in a very peaceful manner and search for the truth. Surely they will conclude to the truth, because Allah guides those who want peace, who want truth, and who are truthful. So, this organization giving a chance to everybody to become truthful and to peaceful, so that it is one kind of mission which we Muslim has to do. So what if that Brother Siraj told that about the treaty Hilful Fuzl, that our Prophet Muhammad SAW said, what if a non-Muslim leading the organization, but he is doing the work of peace? So Ta'awunu alal birri wa taqwa, with this ayah, I am supported this organization, and I want our students to become a global peace messengers, because our school intention and aim is to make our students global leaders. So I did MOU with this prestigious organization. So I am very thankful to Diksha ma'am and HWPL, and especially Chairman Man Healy, to give us a chance to provide peace education to our students. And our IPS institutions of groups of institutions are coming in front. In the Hyderabad, I think in India, very emotionally we attach to you, and we are working very seriously so that this message can be prevail, and India can become, Hyderabad can become top peaceful city of the India. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.